This is a fully custom 1966 Lincoln Continental. Look at that front end and that rear. Pure 60s elegance. A 66 icon rebuilt from the ground up. That chrome grille, timeless, untouched in spirit. Classic lines, still turning heads 6 decades later. That silhouette, nothing looks like a Continental. The rear end alone could stop traffic. Custom wheels, lowered stance, built different. Step inside, a dashboard from another era, restored to perfection. This wheel has seen decades of style, and it shows. Seats like a lounge. This is cruising, not racing. Suicide doors, the ultimate flex of the era. At night, this Continental owns every street it touches. Built to turn heads on the street or the show floor. The 1966 Lincoln Continental, fully custom, forever iconic.